Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will transform these 2020 Shelby GT500 Mustang by Maisto to a different color. So I'm gonna disassemble everything and we're gonna strip the paint off it. Let's go. So we already disassembled the car. As you can see, there's so many parts that need to be removed for the preparation of removing the paint. As you can see, these are all the plastic parts need to be removed. We will be using a paint stripper to remove all the paint on this casting, and there shouldn't be any plastic on it or it will be dissolved by the stripper. So I'll show you the process. I'll show you how to remove paint on this one and I'll see you later. So as you can see guys, the paint has been dissolving. So I'm using these Heirloom Plus paint stripper. I bought these long time ago at Home Depot, and it will strip everything from your furniture, paint and varnish or stains from woods, metal and masonry. But as you can see, look how the paint is dissolving by itself. Maybe there will be some residue that will be left. You need to remove it manually, and it takes process to do this. And after that, it's gonna be bare metal, and you just need to sand it, remove everything that is left, and ready for priming. So as you can see guys, we already stripped all the paint except for some few on the inside, but doesn't matter. I already wet sanded. Looks pretty nice and shiny. As you can see, I already primed it, and I started to put the color of the car that I wanted to, and it's a little bit yellowish for the green that I like, but I'll settle for this one. We finished painting the body already. As you can see, we already put the decals on it and paint the roof black. And the most challenging thing with this color is to get the perfect green. As you can see, it might a little bit yellowish with the original one, which is grabber lime, and I don't have the exact color of what Shmee have, so instead I settled with lime green. It was good enough for me. I like it. So it's time to assemble the car, put everything together, and let's do it. So it's done. Here it is, the finished Shmeemobile GT500. It's not perfect, but I'm happy. So now we have Shmee150 GT500. The only thing missing now is the license plate. So what do you guys think? There's some imperfection, but I was so happy that it was so nice, especially the color. It's almost 100% same, and the racing stripes. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. That's it for today. See you guys next time. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. And thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.